Using Authorize Net Events allows you to receive real-time notifications when specific events occur in your payment processing account. To get started, you need to set up an event listener. This can be done by creating a script on your server that listens for incoming event notifications from Authorize Net. First, you need to configure your event listener to receive events from Authorize Net. This can be done by logging into your Authorize Net account and navigating to the webhooks section. Here you can add a new webhook by specifying the URL of your event listener script and selecting the events you want to receive. Once you have set up your event listener, you can start receiving event notifications from Authorize Net. When an event occurs, Authorize Net will send an HTTP post request to your event listener script with the event details. The event details will include information such as the event type, the transaction ID, and any relevant transaction information. To handle event notifications, your event listener script should be able to parse the event details and perform any necessary actions based on the event type. For example, if you receive a payment settled event, you may want to update your database to reflect that the payment has been settled. Some key concepts to keep in mind when using Authorize Net events include the event types that are available, such as payment settled, refund issued, and transaction declined. You should also be aware of the event listener script requirements, such as the need to verify the authenticity of incoming event notifications. Best practices for using Authorize Net events include implementing robust error handling and logging mechanisms to ensure that any issues with event notifications are properly handled and logged. You should also ensure that your event listener script is secure and protected against unauthorized access. In terms of practical examples, a common use case for Authorize Net events is to automate tasks such as sending receipts to customers when a payment is settled or updating inventory levels when a transaction is declined. By using Authorize Net events, you can automate these tasks and improve the efficiency of your payment processing workflow. Overall, using Authorize Net events can help you to streamline your payment processing and improve the customer experience by providing real-time notifications and automating tasks based on specific events.